Now we'll integrate admin panel in this e-commerce website. So if you don't know about this website, we created 1 year back e-commerce series. You can check out in channel. Basically the idea here is there will be admin panel which can manage all these products, categories and other stuff. So you can make this using CRUD, simple CRUD, but that will take a lot of time. So we'll leverage the tools that are available to us. So we'll be using this Voyager admin panel package. So it will allow us to include bread operations, CRUD operations and much more in our application. So if you just want to learn how to add the admin panel to your website, you can still watch this video. You don't need to watch e-commerce series. So currently we do have admin area. If we go to /admin, we can see, so it is not quite good. So we created this from scratch. So I will show you how easy it is with using this package. Okay, I will go through this installation process. So first off, we'll require by using composer require. Okay, we successfully pulled in packages. Okay, next step is to include the app URL in your .env. So that is important. So my app URL will be this. So let's go to .env and include that app URL instead of this local host. There we go. So if you are in Laravel 5.4, you need to add service provider. We have upgraded our e-commerce website to 5.5. You can watch that video. Next step is to install Voyager. So it will generate all the dummy data and all of that. So if you want dummy data, you can proceed with dummy, and if not, you just Voyager install. Okay, so now let's start by Voyager install. Okay, when we try to install with this Voyager install command, it says categories table already exists because we already got this default table. What we can do is, for now, we'll just rename it to product categories. And now let's install with Voyager install command. Let's try. Okay, so it created all tables and migrated it. Okay, next you can do with dummy command. If you do with dummy command, it will already create one admin and all other these posts. So what we can do is, now we need to create a user. So you can create user, or if you already have a user with some email name, you can assign that to that user admin role. So let's create a new one. So admin@email.com. So name of admin will be web app, password. Okay, admin@email and password. So we can see in web.php what route it created for admin. So since we already got admin route, it will collide with that, I think. So what we can do is, if you want any other prefix, you can apply that also. Backend. So if you want your existing admin panel to be there, you just it's your preference. So you have option to allow any other assign any other route to your Voyager route. So let's visit backend and let's see. So instead of this, let's visit backend. Okay, you might not get this error because we already got one admin user there, but it got no role. So let's for now keep. Okay, so this is our admin panel. You can see users, and you can also edit or assign any different roles, create roles. So user, admin. Okay, so this is admin panel, and now what we'll do is we'll create a CRUD for managing our products and other things. So if you go to tools, database, you'll see all your database here. You can create CRUD. So it says bread, browse, read, edit, add, and delete. So you can create for any table. So for example, let's create bread for this product. So we want to manage our products from our backend. So what we'll do is we don't need to create all controllers, views, etc. So just click on this, and so here you have to specify all these stuff. So which model name you want to use for this product. So I think we have already this product, app product. So this is the model for a products table, so we can specify that here. So app product. So you don't need to provide controller name since we are not using this products controller in this case. So default option. So if you want to override the controller of this Voyager, and if you want to create your own CRUD operation, you can specify your controller with namespace like this. And so here the field. So what kind of field you want to see here? ID. So just leave it blank because this visibility we don't want to. So if you want to show this ID field in your browse, read, edit, so I think I just leave it like this. So we don't want to show the product ID. If you want to show, you can just click on this. We only show ID for browse, and name will be text. So description field will be just this text box, and size will be, so price will be number. So this is we are setting the price and size. So you can also add this text. So let's leave that for now. So image will be image. Let's make it multiple images. Category ID. So this will be the relationship. We'll be setting relationship with category table in a moment. So all other stuff, let's leave it. Okay, so this products table will have so first we need to create this table, and then so first let's submit. And now if we see on this products table, we can browse our bread operations. Let's see. Okay, we are not done yet. We need to set relationship. So in products table, we'll edit this bread operation, and we'll create a relationship with category. So this product belongs to category app cat. So actually it belongs to product category and category ID, and in our category we can specify table name since we changed our table name to product categories. So you only need to change this to product categories if your existing table contains categories table. So if you are just starting from scratch and you don't need to do this stuff, you can use the categories table provided by Voyager. Okay, so small change, not big deal. Okay, so everything looks good. So this product belongs to product category table, and this model references that table, and in which column from product is used to reference product category. So it's category ID that's in product table, which references product categories. So there is category ID 99, but it does not exist here, so I added that. So add new relation, it's added. So here we need select drop down, but yeah, for this to be dropped down, I think that should be enum or any other field. So for now we'll just include simple text, and let's submit. So there we go, and we created products. Let's browse that. Yeah, so we can see all our products in our table. We can view them. Product name, large, price. So currently image is broken. Product categories. So we so product categories is not showing, it's showing this 99. We want to show the name of category. In order to do that, let's go to tools, database, edit bread, and in relationship what we can do, display the category name. So we want to display the name of category, but we want to store the ID if someone creates new product. That is, let's submit, and let's visit, let's browse bread. Yeah, so we got the name of categories here. So from here you can edit this product, so you can provide any description. You got this text editor by default. So imagine how much code you have to write in order to make like this. So it created in minutes. So also you can select any images here. So I uploaded 3 files and save it. There we go, and you can view it. Yes, so I think we have just made one field. So currently in our front end we haven't configured to show the multiple images. We'll do in future, but I think it will break or what. Yeah, so currently we are just showing one images. What we can do is we can display the first image out of all these images. So we'll do that in future, but for now let's just upload one picture. Let's edit this product spread, and instead of multiple image, just make it image and submit. And this product we will edit this product and just upload one image. Choose image, just one image, and save it. There we go, so we got one image. Okay, it says image not found. Let's see what's the problem is. So that image will be stored inside storage app, I think public products. Okay, if we want to use those images, so if you see in products table, so it contains the image URL. So it will be inside products and January this and name of this. So we just need to reference that in our front end. Like, so here we are showing that image. So instead what we can do, assets, and here the path will be storage and shirt image. Actually we can wrap this inside. this inside single quote and this inside double quotes. I think that should work. So it created this symlink storage here, and then we can access that from here. I think, yeah, there we go. So we can access that, but other links are broken because we haven't uploaded images for them. So if you are integrating it in big project, if you have already some imaging system image upload, so you might need to tweak a bit. But if you are starting from scratch, you don't have to do all these fixes like I did here. Yeah, you can just edit them and upload new images for them if you want. So similarly, you can create a CRUD for other tables. So if you want to make a blog, integrate a blog in this website, you can leave these pages and posts table posts here. But if you want to make it clean, you can remove these posts, pages and other categories, and you can tweak it to your liking. So yeah, so this is the basic idea how you can integrate admin panel. So here what you can do is you can allow your users or customer to access to panel and view their orders and other stuff. So there is already a rule called user by default. You can edit, or yeah, so you can manage the permissions, so which categories and which posts can the user visits. So we'll work on creating the dashboard for customers. So you can comment if you want to see that or not, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.